I'm Adam with Frazer, and this is how to use high idle on your Ram chassis cab. Very easy process. So this is all OEM features, there's nothing aftermarket here. The first step is you turn the vehicle on. Second step is you set the parking brake. The next step is you're gonna actually turn on cruise control using the button on the steering wheel. Final step, you're gonna hit set using the cruise control buttons, and the idle is going to elevate from about 700 RPM to around 1100 RPM we're at right now. And then using the resume and the set, or the plus and the minus button on the steering wheel, you can actually increase or decrease your RPMs to whatever desired set point you want to be at. So you can increase it. We're at about 1500 RPM right now. You can decrease it back to about 1000. To turn that off, you can either turn cruise control off, you can hit the brake, and it automatically will turn the system off, or you could release your parking brake, it would turn the system off. Hope that helps.